So we're going into an art gallery with the artist that we met the other day. Have a quick look around. I'm getting a coffee. Lots of people taking photos. Coffee shop. This is the guy we saw in the shop. He was doing the cartoons, but this is his studio. It's on an island in the middle of the river. Pretty cool sort of place. He does a lot of this calligraphy art, these big calligraphy stuff. But this is all his other stuff. This is the guy.
So tomorrow they go to art market. Because if you want to sell in your artwork, you can bring your artwork.
Okay. Well, an art market tomorrow. We might be back here again tomorrow. This is a bookshop. Doing faces. So what, the market here tomorrow and we can bring stuff?
So if you want to sell your stuff, you can.
It's a good idea. And I think there's a farm out there, more people taking photos. Yeah, so maybe we'll be back here tomorrow, bring some paintings, see if we can sell a few. That'd be a good idea. Let's see if we're going to get a coffee. Alright, let's go outside. House. Are they? Oh. Okay. Countryside sounds. Green bamboo. There's farming out here. Bougainville. One of my favourite flowers. Bougainville. Don't know if that's a sculpture, I don't think so. It's a bit of industry. Yeah, a little farm down here. Yeah, it's very nice. And there's a side way around here. Photos. Everywhere you go, there's girls making photos. Girls taking photos. Hey, ni hao. You're happy. Hello. He's happy. Kids up here. He said it was a mess, and yeah, so he said this is his studio, but looks more like sort of living quarters and stuff. So I guess it's a bit like me, you paint wherever you can. Fax machine. When was the last time you saw one of those? Oh, double happiness. Cigarettes. Well, I think that's self-portrait. I think this is the room where all the big calligraphy goes on. Yeah, this is the calligraphy room, the ink room. I think there's a bit of work there, there's a body of work there, look at that. Yeah, ink on the wall, ink, there's the calligraphy there. This is the calligraphy room. So having a break from art, we've come out, have ice cream with coffee on the side of a paddy field. You can see it's wet down there. Big paddy field here. We're on an island in the middle of the river. And a very busy cafe here, very popular. And then we're going to go to another gallery that's a bit further down the road in a minute. Okay, this is another studio, Memo Studio. Open. Let's see what's in here. I'll switch the camera off till we know what's it like. We're inside the studio. A lot of artwork. Books. All covered in plastic. I guess all for sale. Outside, nice little space. Little space in here, I suppose. If she does, I think she's doing coffee. Coffee and stuff. Oh, another paddy field. Another paddy field on the outside. Yeah, like I said, this is an island in the middle of the, what river is it called? OuJiang River, which is the big river that runs through Wenzhou down to the sea. There seems to be a lot of artists, and we haven't seen much craft people, but there are artists. We know there's a photography studio as well, and yeah, look, a pile of canvases. Look at that. That's some work there. I'm not quite there yet. The big one's there. Not quite there yet with the pile of canvases. Meeting another artist who's apparently a famous painter and artist in this gallery where they're serving coffee.
然后有一次就拿了他的画说：“阿姐，你看看我的画，能不能在你书房卖？”这本书那个。
Yeah, it's really cool to be meeting you know, Chinese artists and sharing pictures, looking at each other's pictures. Fortunately, they seem to like mine as well. So some of the more traditional ones, rather than maybe. The more sort of Western ones, but some of them like that. So yeah, it's a nice afternoon out here on this island, meeting artists. He's signing me a book as a gift. So we think this is the printer's place. Hey, 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 hey. Ni hao. Well, let me do that. Actually, this guy's the artist. This guy's the printer. He prints the stuff. Yeah. I don't know his name. So look at this, another paddy field. Beautiful houses, beautiful view. Look, it's gorgeous. Yeah, what would you do to live here, right? I'd love to live here. That's the house. Wow, they got birds. Wow, 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 wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I want to live here. I want to retire here. Where we are, sunset, beautiful marriage photos. They have a shop. We almost got into their marriage photos earlier. That used to be a big electrical thing, but they've left it there as a piece of sculpture in the paddy fields. Sunset. They got the dogs as well. They got the dogs in the photo. So, final gallery of the day. Wow. This is the printers where we had our stuff printed, my stuff printed. This is his gallery downtown. Wow. Books, workshop, prints. Wow. Maybe I can get my art in here because he sells it to interior designers apparently. Wow. Very nice. He had a lot of these prints in the print room. Wow, nice. So this is where we've been just now. Guys having a BBQ down the road. And he's got a barbecue here as well.